Have you ever thought, how can two people earn almost the same salary, but one retires rich while the other struggles with money their entire life? It doesn't happen because one is luckier. It doesn't happen because one is a genius. And it definitely doesn't happen because one woke up at 5 a.m. every day. It happens because of one small decision, a decision that most people ignore, a decision worth just 1,000 rupees. Think about your own life. How many times have you said, it's just 1,000 rupees? It's not a big amount. I'll save next month. We've all said it. And that's exactly where the problem begins. Because the biggest financial mistakes don't look expensive. They look ordinary. A coffee here, a food delivery there, a random online order, another subscription you forgot you even had. Individually, none of these purchases feel important, but together, they slowly steal your future. Let me tell you a simple story. There are two friends, Rahul and Aman. Both get their first job at the same age. Rahul makes one promise to himself. No matter what happens, I'll invest 1,000 rupees every month. Not 10,000 rupees, not 50,000 rupees, just 1,000 rupees. Aman laughs. Bro, 1,000 rupees isn't going to make anyone rich. So instead, he spends it, sometimes on food, sometimes on clothes, sometimes on things he doesn't even remember buying. 10 years pass, Rahul keeps investing. Aman finally decides, okay, now I'm earning enough. Now I'll start. But by then, Rahul has something Aman can never buy back: time. Here's something most people never realize. Investing isn't about how much money you have. It's about how much time your money has. Imagine planting 2 trees, one today, one 10 years later. Even if you water them exactly the same, which one becomes bigger? Obviously, the one you planted first. Money works exactly the same way. The earlier you start, the longer it grows. Now here's the funny part. Most people don't become poor because they don't earn enough. They become poor because every salary increase comes with new expenses. First salary, you buy better shoes. Second raise, you upgrade your phone. Another raise, now you want a better bike. Then a car, then expensive restaurants, then more subscriptions. Every time income goes up, lifestyle goes up too. But investments stay exactly where they were, or worse, they never even begin. And do you know why this happens? Because our brain loves instant rewards. Ordering food feels good today. Buying new clothes feels good today. A new phone feels amazing today. But investing, nothing exciting happens. You don't feel richer tomorrow. You don't get instant happiness. So your brain convinces you to spend instead of invest. Without realizing, you're choosing today's excitement over tomorrow's freedom. Now, don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying you should never enjoy your money. Go out, travel, buy things you genuinely love. Life is meant to be enjoyed. But if every extra 1,000 rupees disappears without you even noticing, that's when it becomes a problem. Here's a simple challenge. Open your banking app. Look at your last month's spending. Find just one expense you could easily live without. Maybe it's food delivery. Maybe it's online shopping. Maybe it's a subscription you forgot existed. Now imagine investing that amount every single month instead, not because it's a huge amount, but because you're building a habit. And habits create wealth, not luck, not shortcuts, not viral stock tips. At the end of the day, money comes, money goes, jobs change, businesses fail, markets go up, markets go down. But one thing never comes back: time. And that's why the people who start early almost always finish ahead. Not because they were smarter, not because they were richer, simply because they started. So here's my question for you. If someone gave you an extra 1,000 rupees today, would you spend it or would you invest it? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe.